Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about errors and types of errors. The very first question arises in our mind: what is error? Error can be defined as the difference between measured value and true value of a physical quantity is called error. I repeat, the difference between true value and measured value of a physical quantity is called errors. Okay? Now we can discuss type of error. Let a physical quantity, suppose we assume a physical quantity A. A has different values. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A4 up to An. Then their mean values are A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 up to An upon n is called mean value, or it can be represented by A bar. This is the mean value of different observations, right? This can be written as A mean is equals to summation of I integer 1 to I equals to n upon n. It is equals to A mean. Clear? It is called mean values. And now we can find the absolute values or absolute error. So we can write here absolute error means absolute error. Absolute errors means, suppose the absolute error in first observation is Am mean value minus A1. It is called modulus. A mean can find by this value and A1 can find by A1 is the first observation. Okay. This is called absolute error in first observation. And similarly, absolute error in second observation is equals to A mean minus A2. This is the mode. That means absolute error is always considered as a positive. It's find negative, then it's converted into positive term. Similarly, we can find the other values. Delta An is equals to A mean minus An. Okay. So now we can find absolute mean error is equals to delta A1 plus delta A2 up to delta An upon n. It is an absolute mean error. This is the mean value of the different physical quantities or the different observations, and this is the absolute mean error. And absolute error can find by this formula. Okay. Now next case. This is absolute error. This is absolute mean error. Now the next topic is relative error. Relative error. So we can say one more thing is here. A, suppose we can find value of A is equals to, exact value of A is equals to A1 plus minus delta A1, right? Similarly, A2 plus minus delta A2, A3 plus minus delta A3. So this is for considered as a mean values. AM delta M. Okay. Now original exact value of A is equals to A mean this, and plus minus delta A mean means plus minus absolute error is called standard value of A, right? First thing we have here study absolute error, second is the absolute mean error, and now we are going to study third point is relative error. Third point is relative error. Relative error, what is the relative error? Relative error. Relative error. Relative error can be defined by the absolute mean error, the ratio of absolute mean error and mean value is called relative error. The ratio of absolute mean value and mean value is called relative error. Relative error. What is relative error? It is the ratio of absolute mean value and mean value is called relative error. And next is a percentage error. Percentage error. What is percentage error? Percentage error is the ratio of mean value means percentage error means absolute mean value, ratio of absolute mean value and mean value multiplied by 100, or we can find the percent value of relative error is called percentage error. Percent value of relative error is called percentage error. Clear? So now here we can discuss here 5 points I think. First is the absolute error, second is absolute mean error, third is relative error, fourth is percentage error. Clear? And now we have to take some example here. Okay? First we get find, suppose we have to take here one example. The value of A1 is equals to 1.01 centimeter, A2 1.02 centimeter, A3 0.99 centimeter, A4 0.98 centimeter, and A5 is equals to 1.00 centimeter. These are the observations of different values. So we can find mean values. Mean value of A is equals to A1 value is 1.01 plus 1.02 plus 0.99 plus 0.98 plus 1.00 by 5. Okay. So 1.01 and 1.99, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. So mean value is 5.00 by 5 equals to 1.00. This is the mean value. Now we can find the absolute error in A1 term. So delta A1 is equals to absolute value can be minus A1. Okay. So AM is 1.00 minus A1 1.01 is equals to minus 0.01, but it's taken a mode value, that's why it is error in 0.01. Okay. Similarly, delta A2 AM is 1.00 minus 1.02, it is equals to 0.02, right? Similarly, A3, delta A3 formula, by using this formula we get this is minus that point. That means it is in positive term, and here is minus 0.01 for A3. For A4 minus 0.02, and for A5 0.0. Clear? So mean value, mean absolute value is here is 0. The mean absolute value delta m is equals to delta a1 plus delta a2 up to delta an by n. Delta these all values are going to be added because these are the modulus of absolute values. That's why they always are positive. So we can add here. We get delta an equals to 0.01 plus 0.02 plus 0.01 plus 0.02 plus 0 by 5. So it is 0.01, 0.02 and 0.024, 0.06 by 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 5. Okay? It is equals to 6 divided by 5. That means 0.01 and 2. Okay? This is the delta m, delta am. Now we can find percentage error. Now we can find relative error. So relative error is equals to absolute mean value 0.012 by mean value is, what is the mean value? 1. 0.012 is the relative error, and percentage error, this is multiplied by 100. So percentage error is multiplied 1.2%. The percentage error is 1.2%. Clear? Because the percentage of relative error 0.12 upon 1 equals to 0.012 multiplied by 100. So it's multiplied by 100, we get 1.1%. That's why we have to take a hypothetical example. In this example, we solve the average mean value, mean absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. These are the errors produced due to experiments when we observe the physical value. So I repeat, what is error? Error is the difference between measured and the true values of a physical quantity is called errors. Okay? Some errors are produced by the scientific method. Errors is called instrumental error, random error, etc. Some errors are measured by the observation measured by the observer due to observation are called systematic error, and another is instrumental error, and next is the random errors, right? So for today's class, the main topic of errors are absolute error, absolute mean error, relative error, and percentage error. And in next class, we have to discuss combination of errors. Okay? Thank you very much.